The AMR project is located in Andhra Pradesh in southern India. At 43.5 kilometres long, the AMR project is the longest tunnel in the world without intermediate access. It's designed to deliver water to over 120,000 hectares of agricultural land and deliver potable water to over 500 villages. The Robbins company supplied two 10-metre diameter double shield TBMs for this programme. Our technical support for this project includes providing a full team of personnel for each site.
This tunnel, once it is commissioned, it will divert the excess flood water which otherwise flows into the sea, and it will save a lot of energy because presently 54 megawatt pumps are working to lift the water almost round the clock.
Due to the isolated location and other factors, this is a particularly challenging project. I think one of the reasons we're doing so well at the moment is the good relationship we share with Jaiprakash.
It is not the first project that I am working with Robbins machine or some Robbins personnel also. This contract, we were told that you have to have a partner, an experienced party internally. So therefore, this was a consortium of Robbins and Jaiprakash Associates.
Although Jaiprakash had extensive experience in drill and blast tunnelling, they had no previous experience in TBM operations. So at the start of the project, we implemented an intensive training regime, including TBM maintenance, operation and all the other aspects.
We have done a lot of tunneling with DBM, but TBM we are totally new. We are not having any experience in this area. So they had guided us well. And I find them, they are one of the best in the industry.
Typical utilisation for the machine during the early stages was around 35%. And as we worked through the training regime, we improved the utilisation to around 45%.
I would say they have put in a lot of effort to train our team, and it has shown results.
The Robbins company utilised our OFTA technique for this project, which means on-site first-time assembly. This was chosen to reduce the delivery time of the machine.
The time given for completion of the project was very short.
Some of the main components are shipped directly to site rather than being pre-assembled in our factories in the US or China. Typically, OFTA reduces the delivery time between 4 or 5 months. It also saves a substantial amount of costs on shipping of materials from one country to another. We supplied the conveyor systems for both tunnels. The conveyor systems are 22 kilometres long for each side. The conveyor system consists of two 11-kilometre loops with a booster station in the centre of each loop. At the portal of each tunnel we have a 90-degree radial stacker.
Well, conveyor system is good. It is less chance of failures. I have used locos for removal of muck. If one loco gets derailed, many a time it is days before you can restore the work. Transportation by loco in this situation where your TBM is 40 meters below the ground level would have created a very serious problem. In my opinion, at this end there was no other method. Continuously from face to dumping area, this was the only method available.
The geology of the tunnel consists of around 60% quartzite and 40% granite. We expected the quartzite to be more abrasive than the granite, but we found this wasn't the case. We've bored through several fault zones where the geology has been blocky. Large pieces of rock were causing problems with the conveyor system through the various transfer sections of the conveyor. We solved this problem by putting deflection plates in the transfer points to reduce the fall of the rock. As the training progressed, the relationship with the Robbins guys and the Jaiprakash guys improved. You know, this had a huge effect on general morale on the project, and people were working towards the same goals. We've had months where we've achieved over 500 metres of boring, and everybody felt they were a part of this achievement.
It is always better to have a good associate with us who has got a good experience in the field, and Robbins, they are the pioneer in the field, so we have got the best advantage.